What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today in this video I got a jam-packed video for you guys on ticker symbol Affirm Holdings, and also UPST Upstart Holdings. But before we dive into this video, please hit that thumbs up button. That is greatly appreciated, and that really helps out with YouTube algorithm. And if you find these videos are helpful and you want to support the channel and especially get 3 days of live trading in my Discord and also my daily trade ideas, my swing trade ideas, check out the Patreon. I'll leave a link down below in the description. And if you are new to this channel and if you haven't already, consider subscribing. And now let's get right into AFRM. Now Friday, the stock was down 7.75%, which is absolutely healthy, nothing going on. We still have a strong bullish trend on AFRM. I mean, look at this uptrend, guys, from $8 or $9 right here, all the way up to almost 20. Now, if you look at my screen, why we got a pullback on Friday, and that was a healthy pullback. It has nothing to do with anything. Look at this upper Bollinger Band sitting at 17.94, and the stock was trading close to $20. Also, if you look at my screen, this is exactly where we got rejected before, multiple times around $18 to $18.55, and also a lot of support was down here at that level before, and now that is acting as a resistance on AFRM. Now going into tomorrow, this could be a fire play. If this thing actually gets down here, right around 1642, and if that holds right here, that's gonna be a dip buy on AFRM to possibly day trade here, and this stock can possibly move back up because this Bollinger Band will expand all the way up to 1855. And look at this, the next move on top, possibly up here to $20 and then 20 to 75, and this is exactly what we got a massive rejection last time, and this stock came all the way back down, and this could be you can call it a double or triple bottom right here on AFRM. And now this thing got a nice run up, and also we have all the moving averages here on AFRM positively sloping to the upside. So this is a bull trend until something breaks, and so far we still have support even down here around $15. Strong support on AFRM. As you can see on my screen, we have 20 SMA right here on this daily chart sitting at 1468, and we also have support at that level. So anything tomorrow close to 1642 or $15, I don't know. I mean, look at this. This thing is up after hour on Friday, close to 1%, and the stock wants to run. A lot of people also shorted AFRM, UPST. So if there is a run back up to the upside, guess what's going to happen, guys? This thing can run really quickly. And also, another thing I want to point out, these massive gaps on top. We got one at 25.86, another one at 29.70. Now, just because we got all these gaps does not mean that AFRM will possibly go all the way up here this week and fill all these gaps. No, that's not possible. But here's the thing. At least I can see 25.86 gap getting filled. And that is very close. If this thing can actually push above 1855 and possibly takes out this high right here, $20 is gone. We're going to see 25.86 on AFRM, and also these moving averages right here will catch up. They will move up, and that means what? More upside. So watch out tomorrow. A break here on AFRM 1855, $20, and possibly up to even 23 right up here. To the downside, strong support right here with the blue line 5 SMA 1776 to 1676 to 1642, and also this uptrend right here. So that's gonna be a strong support to hold. And if you look at my screen, it's been holding for the last couple of weeks. So that is gonna be a level to watch right here if it comes down. And then we also have support around 1468 to $15 right here because of this white line 20 SMA, and this white line 20 SMA will move up tomorrow. So that's gonna be even more stronger support at $15. So watch out here on AFRM. This could be a fire play going into tomorrow. And now we're going to have a look at UPST Upstart Holdings. UPST was down 2%, and that is absolutely nothing. I mean, yes, the stock went up so much from $11.93, got up to 34 in quick time. Now, when I made the Carvana video, this was another heavily shorted stock in the market. And look at what Carvana is doing right now, guys. Massive, massive move. I think it's at $15 or $20. I'm not tracking the stock right now, but I made the video at $7 talking about it, that it's going to fly, and there is a lot of shorts are just waiting. If this thing actually pops, they're going to cover. And UPST was also there, and it's still getting a massive, massive short squeeze to the upside, and there could be more room to the upside on the stock. So going into tomorrow, it's gonna bring a lot of opportunities. UPST, definitely you're going to find opportunities tomorrow if there is a pullback. Yes, we got a pullback on Friday, but there is nothing, only 2%. The stock went up so much. I mean, look at this, $11.93 up to almost $34 on Friday. And just like AFRM, this could be double bottom here on the stock, or you can even call it a triple bottom. And now it's going up with some good news, earnings, and also the short covering on UPST. So the next stop on this stock, if you look at my screen, we do not have any big resistance until 36.40, and that's where we got rejected multiple times before. So that's gonna be a key level, 36.40. But also, if this thing somehow gets above 36.40, guys, the next big upside will be right up here at close to $55. So there is still a lot more room to the upside, and the stock can run. But on a pullback, it's going to create a lot of opportunities. But you gotta watch, after all, this is not no Apple stock. So if there is a pullback, what do you wanna watch here on UPST? Support to hold and this uptrend. And there is around, I would say, even if the support breaks down, you wanna see it right here, 28.43 holding on UPST. And anything close to $30 in between 28.43, there is a dip buy. Now, if the stock breaks under 28.43, you should exit and then watch out for this support down here to buy back at 26.11. Now, always these stocks are risky. I mean, look at this. This thing can go up even more on a short squeeze, but volume here on UPST coming back. Massive, massive volume again here on the stock. Look at it before, nothing. The stock went down, double, triple bottom now, and now it's getting a nice short squeeze to the upside, but the support needs to hold. So you got to be careful. If you're buying here, you got to have a stop at 28.43 or just at 28. Below 28, then you can buy back here 26 to 25. Then you got to have a stop right here, maybe around 24 to 24.50. Now to the upside, if this thing can actually break 36.40, like I said, there is nothing stopping. This thing can move easily up to $55. And look at that massive gap on top. So I'm not saying it's going to go up all the way here and fill this gap this week, but nothing is impossible for this stock. This thing can go up from $11.93. If the stock can come up to $34 on Friday almost, then the stock can go up even more. Now, would I be buying it right, at opening? No. Wait for a pullback, let the stock create some opportunities for people. But if it's not pulling back, just going up, there is no point of chasing this stock. So wait for that pullback on UPST, and only if the pullback, happens here on UPST, then it's going to bring a lot more buyers. Now, I know a lot of people like to chase. They will just buy up here because they see, opportunities on UPST getting a massive short squeeze and getting up even more, possibly up to even $55. But I would not chase this stock. Wait for a pullback. If there is a pullback, that's going to be a dip buy. Anything close to 30 to 28.43, orange line, 13 SMA. And this uptrend also needs to hold, because if that gives up, we could be rolling over. So keep that in mind. Just because the stock, looking good, we got bull trend on UPST, stock getting a short squeeze, does not mean that it cannot just roll over, and come down even more. So if you are day trading, definitely keep your stop losses in place, because if this thing actually breaks this uptrend, then the next support down here at 25-ish right here. with this white line, 20 SMA, 25 to 26 right here, 26.11 to even $25. That's gonna be the next support on EPST below 28.43. So keep these levels, watch the stock tomorrow, and I'll definitely keep you guys updated, and let me know which one you like better going into tomorrow, and whatever your plans are to trade UPST and AFRM. Thank you so much. Have a great weekend, everybody.